Hi, I'm Dr. Todd Kuhn, one of the editors of Game & Fish magazine, and welcome to B&W's Tow Ready in 2. As you can imagine, I spend a lot of time every year out on the road, pulling boats, campers, ATVs, and the occasional utility trailer. And what I've come to realize is towing is very serious business. You've got thousands, if not tens of thousands of dollars of gear right behind you. In this video series, we'll present you with several aspects of pulling a trailer safely and hopefully give you more enjoyment out of your next pull. You know, I can't think of anything more boring to talk about than safety chains on a trailer, but they're incredibly important in the safe trailering equation. You know, they serve two purposes. Number one, they keep the tow vehicle connected to the trailer in the unlikely event that they should become disconnected while trailering. And number two, they keep the tongue of the trailer up off the road surface should it become disconnected. Prior to installing them onto your tow vehicle, you should do a visual inspection to make sure they're okay. That includes looking for things like cracked links or maybe bent S-hooks. And make sure they're attached to the trailer firmly and securely, so in case if they get pulled on or that you need to use them, they don't come popping off. Next, when you secure them to the trailer, you want to make sure that you cross them underneath the coupler. Do not put them left to left, right to right. The reason is that when you cross them, if the tongue becomes disconnected, it cradles the tongue and keeps it up off the road so it doesn't dig in and cause a lot more problems than you already have. Next thing you want to check is make sure that they're up off the road. You should be about 3 to 5 inches off the road surface. If you're not and they're dragging, take the chain off, put a couple twists in it, and that'll shorten the chain and lift it up off the concrete or the road surface. Just like we mentioned in the other videos, once you've secured the trailer to the tow vehicle, you want to check everything. Now, we've gone back and checked the safety chains, and I decided they were hanging a little bit too low. So we put a couple twists in them to bring them up off the road surface. And you want to make sure, lastly, that your S-hooks are connected facing backwards. This keeps them from bouncing off when you're going down the road, and it will make you ultimately a safer trailerer. B&W designs and manufactures a complete line of trailering accessories, and I count on them for my trailering chores. We hope we provided you with some good information in these videos and ask that you would watch the others in the series to help you get more out of your trailering experience.